So just came off a main road onto this gravelly, very narrow road to show you how to ride one of these, or how I ride one of these, because I'm by no means an expert. So here, we're not staying in the center of that lane because of the gravel. I'm keeping in the wheel tracks. And as I'm going along, I'm keeping it nice and slow. As much as I want to bomb it down, because it would be fun, I don't know what's coming up. Or whether there's incoming vehicles in front. So I'm keeping to this left side of my lane. I'm looking up ahead. Quite a crazy verge. We've got a warning sign of a sharp left turn. So although I'm going slow, I'm not that worried about the sharpness of the turn. What I'm worried about here is speeding vehicles in the oncoming lane. So I'm slowing it right down, looking through, keeping to my side of the road, not swinging out at all. And as I'm going past that turn, I've got another... Whoa, crazy. I don't know if that was... okay. See, that fucked me up. It looked like a giveaway, but it wasn't. It was just a T-junction for that driveway. But yeah, as you can see, I'd rather slow down and look at what's going on than assume. And what a lovely view. And as we're going past these lanes, I'm looking through at what's going up. This is actually quite stressful. I have no idea where I am. I have no idea what's coming up. The only thing that's making me worried is a vehicle that's local, that knows this road, that is just going at 20, 30, 40 miles an hour, especially on these blind turns. But here I am, just kind of guessing what's going on, keeping to my left side of the lane. And got a bit of an opening, but again, not bombing it down, because I can see that the road curves to the right. Lots of gravel on the road here as well, which can be fun at times. Like that. But yeah, I'm keeping to my left lane. As tempting as it is to spin that back wheel out, throw up some dust. As I go through, I can see maybe a person. I saw a little bit of yeah, there we go, they're coming off the road for me. Thank you very much. Slowing it down. Thank you very much. Moving away from them slightly and then getting back into my safety area where there's no gravel. And as we go along, I can see another main road coming up, so maybe there'll be a T-junction. I can see that horizon, you can see the vehicles up in there, so I know what's coming up. You see, reading the road isn't always looking just ahead. You're seeing past the horizon, past the things, seeing what's coming up that way. And here we have a T-junction to join onto the A507, which... lovely road as well. We're gonna go left. Slowing it down. T-junction. Looking right, left, right. Seems safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.